What's an unboxing, you ask? Well, it's like an unboxing, only it's not. Everyone does those, right? From time to time, boxes just arrive here at the Kupo Cave, my home studio. So it's like, what the heck is this? Thus, an unboxing. I love my Fuji gear. I mean, come on, I own a bunch of their stuff after all. And they're obviously great, not just for stills, but video as well. But I wanted to streamline the process of posting my stuff to Instagram and other social media channels. So that's where Benro's TablePod Flex comes in, as well as my iPhone. Now I can quickly wrap the legs of the TablePod Flex around the Kupo aluminum pole here in my top-down setup, attach my iPhone, and I'm good to go. Benro's been a sponsor of the PetaPixel Photography Podcast for a number of years now, and they send me so much great problem-solving gear. And now I can do those unboxings more quickly when they send me that gear. It's gonna be a game changer. I've had Benro's regular TablePod for over a year now and absolutely love it. It is a great little tripod and it is always in my bag for when I need it. Now the TablePod Flex will join it in my bag. You never know when you're going to need to quickly create content and need to get a camera or your phone in a tight spot. It's a piece of gear that most content creators should have a look at, especially if they're using their smartphone.